friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making a refreshing menthe pulao. Very light and flavorful rice, perfect for lunch or dinner. Here's what you'll need. First, take a small cup of oil or ghee, 2 to 3 bay leaf, 1 green cardamom, 2 clove, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 2 sliced onions, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of fenugreek leaf, 1 cup of chili and coconut paste, 1 cup of avocado. Then take 250 grams of rice, 1 sliced tomato, half teaspoon of coriander powder. Pan or cooker, heat ghee and all spices mentioned in the ingredients. Now add sliced onion to it. Saute until it is golden brown. Then add ginger garlic paste followed by fenugreek leaves, avocado and tomato. Cook well until fragrant. Next add the paste of chili and coconut, half teaspoon coriander powder and saute it well. Add the soaked rice into the cooker. Sprinkle some salt as per your taste. Add 3 glasses of water and close the lid. Our delicious menthe pulao is ready. Serve it hot with raita or plain yogurt. Perfect for light or flavorful meal. Do not forget to try this at home and tell me how it turned out. Share this recipe with your friends and family and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you soon in the next video.